Good day, guys. Now, let me show you guys how I took my $3 account to $15. But the trade is still running in profit. But I just want to show you guys how I did it. Now, look, this is the trade. Look at the trade. So, how I took it from $3 to $15. Now, let me show you guys. Hey, guys. Now, I'm here on my chart on my iPad. So, you can see GBP on I said GBP, USDJPY on the 4-hour time frame has been bullish for a while now. So I came to this recent point of price and I found out that price has been ranging on the 4-hour time frame. So this was the resistance zone, while this was the support zone. This was the resistance zone. This was the resistance zone, while this was the support zone. So then I was actually waiting for a sale right here. I was waiting for a sale here because of, you can see price has been selling from this zone for a while. Price sold from this zone to this point. Price sold from this zone to this point. So I was waiting for a sale at this point to sell to this point or to this trend line so that I can continue buying. Or no, due to the fact that price already tapped this trend line, let me show you guys clearly. You can see that I told you that USDJPY has been on an uptrend. See the first touch. That the first touch here. This was the second touch. So it had another rejection here, which is still a touch. So due to the fact that price touched this trend line, it could not respect this zone. So it broke the zone and went up. So now I want to dive into how I cut the sell. So we'll switch to the 1-hour time frame. Let me see what we have. So you can see that when price broke the zone, I was actually still waiting for a retest. I was waiting for price to retest the zone, making it a support zone, because normally if price breaks a resistance zone and retest it, it's going to make that resistance zone the support, which is going to support price from going lower than the zone. So price is going to touch that support zone and buy from there. So I was waiting for the buy, like I analyzed. So, but before this buy, I went down to the 30-minute time frame and I was seeing something. I saw that price failed to break above this zone. Yeah, this zone. Price failed to break this zone. Price failed. When price pulled back, it failed to break above this zone. Then price made the market structure shift to the downside. Look at it here. Well, let me switch down to the 15 minutes so to be clearer. So exactly, look at it. Price made a market structure shift, a pullback, which is our inducement. Then swept the inducement and went to our POI, this is like our point of interest. And then I took the buy. I sent it on my WhatsApp channel, my private WhatsApp channel. I sent it to them and I told them to take the sell on USDJPY. So we targeted the sell from here down to this point, whereby I was waiting for price to retest on the 4-hour time frame. That's what I was waiting for, because this was also a break of structure. Yeah, this was a break of structure. This was the POI, which is the little order block, the green indecision order block that you saw. This was our pullback, which was our inducement. So I was waiting for price to come back, strip the inducement, go to our point of interest, and then buy. Well, unfortunately for me and my imaginative analysis, the market didn't go that way. So I saw that price was just making BOS break of structure, because it's changed character for me, right? So price automatically turned it to a sell. It was bearish. So now, after we made profit from this trade, this first trade, it was now here. I was now seeing the same thing that I saw here. I saw here again. You get, this was our POI, this bullish little order block with this impulsive fair value gap. Break structure, right? Pulls back, inducement, right? Not like an inducement, because it's already in our POI, which is in our point of interest. So it's not like an inducement. It's just like break of structure, pull back, and then take the trade. So if it's different from this one, because this one did not get, this first inducement didn't get to our POI after the change of character. It was an inducement because it did not get to our POI. So which means people will be taking their sell from here. Yes, they'll be taking sell positions from here. So after price made the inducement, pulls back, goes back, sweep the inducement, which means taking all the stop losses here and goes to our POI again, which is the original move, and then dumps. That's the correct move. But this was different. This was a break of structure at this point. Our order block, fair value gap, then price dumps, break structure, pulls back to the zone. I actually took the sell from here, originally from here. Then I held it. Then price rallied, which was last week, because today is Tuesday. Yeah, which was last week. I held the sell from last week, Tuesday, because I was just like, it's just $3. It's just a $3 account. Let me just fund the $3 and hold it till next week. So Monday now, I saw that price has been doing this ranging, which is, I think this is the Asian session, then swept the Asian session to this point, this our POI, then dumped. So I already held the sell, then I added another position at this point again. This point whereby there was a break of structure. If I go down to the 5 minutes now, you're going to see how price will pull back, then break structure again. So I also entered another position from here. So that's how I took the trade from $5, I mean $3 to $15 for now. And we're targeting price to dump from this position. From this position where I took the sell back to this trend line. So we're going to be buying from the trend line. So that's what I'm seeing on USDJPY for now. So if you found this video educating and more, you can probably like, comment, and also follow me for more videos like this. I also post this on my YouTube channel, so you can the link to my YouTube channel is on my bio, please. So you can kindly like, share, and subscribe there too. Thank you.